Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore personal loan comparison using LendingClub easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore personal loan comparisons using LendingClub, start by visiting the LendingClub website. Log into your account by entering your credentials. If you do not have an account, create a new one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, navigate to the personal loans section from the main menu. On the personal loans page, look for the option to compare loans. Click on Compare Loans to begin the process. You will be prompted to enter your loan amount and purpose. Fill in this information accurately to get tailored results. Next, select your preferred loan term from the available options. Afterward, you may need to provide some financial details for a customized comparison. Submit your information to see personalized loan offers. Review the list of loans presented to you. You can filter results based on interest rates, loan amounts, and terms. To compare specific loans, check the boxes next to them. Once selected, click on the Compare button. A detailed comparison summary will appear on your screen. Review all the features, interest rates, and terms of each loan carefully. If you find a suitable option, click on it to see more details. Follow any additional prompts to proceed with the application if you wish to move forward. Always ensure you understand the terms before committing. Return to the comparison page at any time to explore other options. This entire process should help you successfully restore your personal loan comparisons on LendingClub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.